The European Commission is launching the Covenant of Mayors. Those signing it commit their citizens to taking local initiatives that go beyond the EU's 20% reduction target for CO2 emissions by the year 2020.
It's a great perspective for us as cities to sign this Covenant of Mayors. To come to a clear commitment now, together with the European Commission, is a big step.
Certain towns like Heidelberg have taken the lead in various fields. Here, the Kleber Agency offers citizens free and impartial advice on ways to save energy in their home and on the development of renewable energies. 24 communes have joined the project.
Insgesamt seit Bestehen der Kleber in den 10 Jahren haben wir über 12.000 Kontakte gehabt mit den Bürgern.
Other projects enable citizens to participate on a more personal level. In this poster campaign, 450 inhabitants explain how they contribute to the improvement of air quality in their town. In the Energy Teams project, groups of children develop strategies to reduce energy consumption in their school.
There are so many possibilities to reduce CO2 emissions. When you think about that we reduced our CO2 emissions for our whole city facilities over the last 10 years of nearly 40%. This is the perspective which we want to share with other citizens.
Each city has specific strategies to share. Yanis Birks, mayor of Riga, along with his 900,000 citizens, is preparing major new initiatives to reduce CO2 emissions by taking advantage of the region's assets.
Mēs esam ļoti bagāti ar mežiem, aptuveni 40% Latvijas teritorijas klāja meži, un mēs esam ieinteresēti izmantot šos atjaunojamos energoresursus. Un kā jūs redzat šeit, tas arī praktiski tiek darīts.
The electricity station at Daugavgrīva collects wood chips to heat 90 residential buildings nearby, and the municipality is envisaging the construction of another station with greater capacity. Management of Riga's big waste tip is also at the heart of concerns. The gases emitted by the decomposition of waste are collected and incinerated to produce electricity, thus reducing their impact on the environment. But the mayor doesn't intend to stop there.
Nākotnē mēs mainīsim šo mūsu politiku, un nākotne pieder atkritumu dedzināšanai, pārstrādei, pilnīgai, gan arī 100% atkritumu pārstrādei, un tā kā mēs iesim par šo ceļu.
Exhibitions providing information about green technologies are increasingly frequent in Riga. Their popularity underscores citizens' growing interest in environmental and energy consumption issues.
Es šajā izstādē ierados, lai redzētu jaunākās tehnoloģijas elektroenerģijas ražošanai no biogāzes.
Jebkurš cilvēks sāktu izmantot alternatīvo enerģiju, tā ir zaļā enerģija, kas neprasa nekādus ieguldījumus, nerada izmešus. Mēs dzīvosim tīrākā gaisā, mēs dzīvosim labāk, arī ekoloģiskās katastrofas būs daudz mazāk.
The European Union will encourage towns to pool and exchange the best practices worldwide in sustainable energy by using excellence criteria. To date, over 100 pioneering cities have joined the Covenant of Mayors and are showing the way forward in the promotion of sustainable energy to combat climate change.